New football kits 2024 to 25, rate your favorite. It's the best time of the year for football kit enthusiasts as clubs get decked out ready for the new season. With the Premier League and EFL due to restart in August, clubs in England, as well as elsewhere, have been releasing their latest kits for the upcoming campaign. Inter Miami described their new third kit as tapping into 80s nostalgia and leaning heavily on the vibrancy of vintage Miami style. Throw a white linen blazer over the top to complete the look. The MLS team boasts a number of vintage stars in their lineup, including Lionel Messi, Luis Suarez, and Sergio Busquets. For some fans, it's time for a new start and fresh hope, together with a new look, while for others, it's about respecting the club's traditions. We've put together a non-exhaustive list of new kits below. Vote for your favorite. Arsenal's third kit was designed in collaboration with British African heritage brand Labrum London. Designer Fode Doumbouya, who was born in Sierra Leone, explained, "External that the use of Pan-African colors are a nod to the club's close connection with their African fan base, while the zigzags bring energy, something which Arsenal have in abundance with the likes of Bukayo Saka and Declan Rice. The reigning Premier League champions will push for a historic 5 in a row this campaign. Their new home shirt features a graphic detail on the collar and cuffs, and the font on the back was designed in collaboration with City fan Noel Gallagher. You gotta roll with it." The motif across Chelsea's new home shirt is the hottest part of the flame, according to the club. After a disappointing season in which they finished 6th, Chelsea's men will be hoping to ignite their title hopes under new manager Enzo Maresca this season. Meanwhile, following Emma Hayes' departure at the conclusion of the last campaign, WSL champions Chelsea will be hoping that new manager Sonia Bompastor can carry the torch forward. To mark their 125th anniversary, Barcelona's new home kit for the 2024-25 campaign is a throwback to the first ever Barcelona strip from 1899. After finishing 10 points off leaders Real Madrid last season, the Catalan club will be hoping to get back on track under new boss Hansi Flick. Barcelona's women, meanwhile, are reigning champions in Liga F and the Women's Champions League. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.